Sa gitna ng mga panibagong hamon sa ating kalusugan, marami na ring makabagong solusyon ang isinasagawa para mapanatili ang sigla at lakas ng katawan na kinakailangan sa ating pagtanda. Isang regenerative and wellness clinic ang nagbibigay ng holistic approach na nagsasanib ng modernong siyensya at tradisyonal na mga pamamaraan para makatulong na mapabagal ang aging process at palakasin ang kakayahan ng katawan na maghilom sa natural na paraan. Sa panahon ngayon kung saan marami nang lumalabas na sakit na hindi pa nahahanapan ng lunas, isa ang regenerative at holistic wellness sa mga solusyong nagbibigay pag-asa sa marami, lalo na sa mga nakatatanda. Kilala po kayo, Doc Joel, sa regenerative medicine and in the wellness industry. Why is it so important to have a holistic approach?
Ang main focus natin is on regenerative medicine. So basically, it starts with nutrition because our body repairs and regenerates through the food that we eat. You can have a good quality of life or a longer health span by focusing on the basics: nutrition, hydration, very important, and sleep, rest, exercise.
Sa tulong ng modernong siyensya gaya ng stem cell treatment, hormone replacement at natural approaches gaya ng acupuncture at nutritional therapies, posible nang maibalik ang sigla ng katawan na unti-unting nawawala sa paglipas ng panahon.
It's important to have this confidence as you age because most people, they feel bad or they shun aging because people have this vision of being in a nursing home when they age.
Parang step-by-step
By
approach,
step,
no?
yeah. So it's really important to pay attention to the biochemistry, what's going on inside the body, rather than giving things that suppress this natural processes.
Para mailapit ang mga serbisyong ito sa mas nakararami, nagbukas ng panibagong clinic ang world-renowned holistic and integrative medical doctor na si Dr. Joel Lopez para hikayatin ang lahat na yakapin ang iba't ibang stages sa ating buhay ng may pag-iingat at pag-aalaga sa sarili.
As the President and CEO and Medical Director of this clinic, I am honored to stand before you today to celebrate our journey, our achievements, and the exciting future ahead. At Charm, our mission is clear: to provide integrative, healthy aging, and regenerative medicine solutions that empower our patients to lead vibrant, healthy lives. In a world where the pace of life is ever increasing and health challenges are becoming more complex, our commitment to holistic personal care is more relevant than ever.
I am so grateful that may charm that I can go to give me the energy that I need, the supplements that my body needs.
Sa pamamagitan ng makabagong teknolohiya na nakatutulong para i-reverse ang pagtanda, matunton at malutas ang ugat ng pagkakasakit at maging ang simpleng pagpapaganda ng overall appearance ng isang tao. Pinatutunayan ni Doc Joel na may likas na kakayahan ang ating katawan para magpagaling at mag-rejuvenate.
So today we had our grand opening. Our clinic is called CHARM, which stands for the Center for Healthy Aging and Regenerative Medicine. So we got a whole slew of services, including testosterone replacement therapy for men, bioidentical hormone replacement therapy for women. We also do IV nutritional drips, hyperbaric oxygen therapy, infrared sauna, peptides, stem cells, exosomes.
Nakatutulong ang mga ito para sa overall wellness, pag-repair ng tissues, detoxification, at immune support. Tell us what makes Charm's approach different in this field.
What makes CHARM different is that we're really focusing on the diagnostics because gusto natin mas focused yung treatments rather than one size fits all.
When they say basics, those are the basics: sleep, exercise, and obviously proper nutrition. But how can one be assured of a personalized treatment?
We not only focus on the family history or personal history, but different things like birth history, that's really important. Also your occupational history, because all of these things influence our health. Then when it comes to testing, again, we tailor, or after we discuss the history with the patient, then we do physical. Then that's when we decide when to, or what type of test to ask for the patient.
In terms of holistic and complementary therapies, what's the philosophy of charm, especially when it comes to kind of combining traditional and modern practices?
We have to look back at what our ancestors did. Now things are going back to what it was. Yeah, importante yung Western and Eastern medicine, or conventional and or allopathic medicine and alternative medicine, but it's more effective, I would say, in my opinion, when it comes to prevention and chronic degenerative diseases.
Pero paalala ni Doc Joel, hindi lang para sa mga may karamdaman ang serbisyong ibinibigay nila sa tao.
Sa mga walang nararamdaman, it's probably best to start with holistic medicine, yung more on prevention, like taking supplements, because there's not enough nutrients in our food anymore.
Sa pagdami ng mga kondisyong lumalabas kasabay ng modernisasyon, malaking tulong ang makabagong mga kaalaman sa pagbibigay ng mga solusyon para sa pagpapabuti ng kalusugan at pagkakaroon ng mataas na kalidad ng pamumuhay.
Hi, I'd like to invite you to come and visit us at Charm by Joel Lopez MD, located at the lower ground of the new Green Hills Mall here in San Juan. Please check out our website at Charm by Joel Lopez MD, as well as our social media pages at Charm by J. Lopez MD. Thank you.